Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, have you noticed that YouTube Premium keeps getting more expensive? In some regions, the monthly subscription can cost around $21, and many users are starting to wonder whether it's really worth paying that much just to remove ads, play videos in the background, and download content for offline viewing. The good news is that there may be a much cheaper way to enjoy many of the same benefits without spending a premium price every month. One option that many people overlook is using YouTube Premium Lite where available. So guys, here you can see the YouTube Premium Lite. You can get this on your device as well. This low cost subscription removes most ads from videos while costing significantly less than the full premium plan. If your main goal is simply to watch videos without constant interruptions, this can be a much more budget-friendly choice. Another trick is to take advantage of family plans instead of paying for an individual. So guys, you can see the family plans as well. So as you can see this plan, so guys, you can use this plan for all of your family instead of paying for an individual subscription. Several family members can share the cost of single plan, dramatically reducing the monthly expenses per person. For households with multiple YouTube users, this can be one of the best values available. So guys, student may also qualify for discounted YouTube premium pricing. If you are enrolled in an eligible educational institution, you can often access the same premium features for a fraction of the regular price. Of course, there are also free alternatives. Features like offline viewing can sometimes be replaced by saving videos for later when you have an internet connection, and many devices now support background audio through web browsers or other built-in fractions. While these alternatives may not offer the exact same experience, they can help you avoid another monthly subscription. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.